Well, everybody, as you can see from the title, we have been lucky enough to get an early look at the brand new Mega Evolution Pitch Black set right here. This is the ETB that we're going to be opening in this video, and definitely get subscribed because we have some more products we got to unbox. For example, we're definitely going to have a video on the entire booster box here, 36 packs, and we even got the build and battle box as well as a booster bundle, which you can see right here. So get subscribed. We're going to have probably 3 videos to talk about the Mega Evolution Pitch Black set, but let's start off with the ETB and see exactly what we get because I actually have no idea what this set is about. Let's get into it. So like I said, everybody, here we have the brand new Pitch Black ETB, and in here, we got the usual. We have 9 packs, we have the actual illustration rare here, the promo card, which is going to be a Zarude. Again, I don't really know much about this set, if anything, so we're going to go over the training booklet as well to kind of see what the set looks like. I took a gander at some of the illustration rares from the Japanese set because, again, there isn't much out there for the English version since we're getting an early first look here. And I'm seeing that there's a lot of Pokemon that is going to be outside of my realm in terms of what I know, right? Because I grew up with Gens 1 through 3. I can name every single Pokemon from those sets. I know them like the back of my hand. But when it comes to these types of sets, which kind of goes a little bit further, I need to learn pretty much everything after that. But the first thing I like to show off that some people actually don't even know is that you can actually open up a regular ETB, and the inside of it usually has some sort of thematic artwork. So you get to see you have all 4 of these right here, which is basically all the album artworks, or not the album artworks, the pack artworks. And you have the 4 main guys right here. But again, aside from the Darkrai that I only know because it's like the main Pokemon in this set, I couldn't name any of these Pokemon right here. These are all kind of new to me, so I mean, I can kind of, this is like the Drillbur or Zilbur, I don't even know, but again, comment down below about how I'm a noob at this thing. But again, if this was Gen 1 through 3, like what I'm going to be excited for when it comes to Pokemon Celebrations, a 30 year, that's going to be amazing. So here's a booklet, right? Let's see exactly what we got here, and also a little sneak peek. I still have my tag video that I have to show you guys. Charmander came back at 10. Unbelievable. But we'll talk about that one in a future video, but here we have the Mega Evolution Pitch Black. Let's go straight to the actual set itself. I want to see what these cards look like. I don't know too much about it, so here's what we have right here. We have the Tropius, so that's Gen 3 right there. We have a couple, like the Relicanth. I remember the Relicanth down here from Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald. Like you needed him and a Wailord to get all the Reggie Pokemon, I believe, or something like that. Again, here we go, Wailmer and Wailord. So we got some good Pokemon here to look at. We have the Spiritomb, Electrike is another Gen 3, so a lot of Gen 3 Pokemon, Slowpoke and Slowbro. I know that there's a Slowbro illustration rare, which I think is my personal chase card, because I don't really know too much else. But in terms of the normal amount of cards, right, we have, sitting here, I believe the normal amount of cards is, we have a total of 84 regular cards, and then when it goes into the grand total, let's look at some of these right here, but that Goldeen looks sick, the Slowbro, the Manectric looks super cool. Those are all some nice chase cards that I think I would definitely enjoy. This Armarouge looks cool. I don't really know anything about Armarouge, but it's a cool artwork nonetheless. Here's some other ones. We have the Ultra Rares as well. So there's a lot to choose from here. You don't have any of the main ones, right? You don't have the Pikachus of the world, the Charizards, the Gen 1 Pokemon. So I kind of want to see some other Pokemon shine. Maybe some trainer cards. I know Misty's Vitality is going to be a big one for a lot of people. And then, of course, you have the SIRs down here, the Mega's Aurora, Mega, how do you even say that? Chandelure. You have the Mega Darkrai, and then I believe you have one Ultra Rare, right? Or the one Hyper Rare, which is the one gold card. And if you guys saw the unboxing that we had for Chaos Rising, you know that we pulled our first ever gold card with the Mega Greninja. But we have about 120 total cards, with 84 of them being part of the normal set, and everything after that being, again, after the fact. But let's see what we got here. Let's start to jump in here and see exactly what we're getting ourselves into. The content's very familiar. Let's pull this stuff out. We have our Darkrai themed Pitch Black kind of sleeves right here with the frosted front. We have the Zarude. This is a very cool illustration. I mean, I've never actually seen this Pokemon. It's definitely a first form of something. The illustration rare. It looks like a playable card too, in my opinion. And comment down below if you guys are actually playing the TCG game. Very interested to know what cards in this set are playable versus, people just collecting them because they look cool or because they're rare. But this is what it looks like. Very pretty card in my opinion. Kind of dark and ominous. You got the red in the background matching the red eye and the pupil. Very nicely done, Pokemon. So let's definitely sleeve this bad boy up and put it off to the side here. And of course we have all the other peripherals here. We have our die, our coin. We have our energy cards to create a deck and everything like that. These are the dividers. Code card for whoever wants it. But these fighters are actually really cool. And somebody educate me in the comments down below. Tell me about Darkrai. Is he a legendary Pokemon? Of course, like that's what I'm assuming he is, or it is, or whatever the case may be. So I'm curious to know like what the lore is, like what generation is Darkrai even from? I probably should have looked at myself, but that's why the comments are here to kind of help me out to learn a little bit more as we go along. But again, we got 9 packs to open up. So we do have the 9 packs to open up here, like I said, and like I mentioned earlier, when you open up that ETB kind of packaging, it shows you all the different artworks. So we have 4 different ones here, and I believe we have at least 2 of each. But let's just kind of jump in here. It's been a little while since we opened up any packs, and I'm always excited to open up some new sets with you guys. Comment down below, are you guys excited for this one? Where does this one rank in the Mega Evolution rankings for you? Because again, there's a lot of different ones now, and we're kind of, you know, we're kind of hitting a stride here. Let's see what the energy is. Let's go with fire. Water. But again, we're starting to hit our stride here in terms of all the different Pokemon that are coming out, or the sets that are coming out. We have the Bronzor, Poltergeist, Charjabug, the Nickit, Malamar, Marshadow, Relicanth. Like I said, Relicanth, it's like this quasi-legendary fossil Pokemon from Gen 3. Malamar, Shadowy Energy, and a Bastodon. So our first pack in the books. But like I said, let me know where this ranks in terms of what you guys are looking to get for this set, where it ranks against all the other Mega Evolution sets. You know, we started off with the base set of Mega Evolution. Ascended Heroes was fire. Then you have things like Perfect Order, which sold a lot less. You have, you know, Pitch Black. Chaos Rising is kind of in the middle, in my opinion, you know, depending on who you are. Let's see what the, leave your guesses down below. Fire. Strength Energy. Okay. Let's keep going. I think we might have something back there, unless it's just a regular shiny, but we have the Bronzor right here. Charjabug again, Finizen. This will be kind of an easy one to master set as well, and I don't think the, what is this? A type null? I gotta look into that. I've never seen that card before. Interesting. But it almost looks like a typo, if anything. Maybe we'll kind of go back to that one. The Jet, the Palafin, Sharkadet. We might have our first EX, our Seaking. Nope. But look how cool this holo is. Like, it was kind of shining from behind. Also, what's good with the look how off-center that is. If you guys can see that. I don't even know if you can. But very off-center on that one. But yeah, where does Pitch Black rank for you guys? Where did Perfect Order rank? Where did Chaos Rising rank? Obviously, everybody loves Ascended Heroes. And I definitely feel like I'm missing another one in there somewhere. Like, was there one after Mega Evolution, the base set, but before Ascended Heroes that I'm just kind of forgetting about? Of course, Phantasmal Flames. Look at this guy. Because I even pulled the Mega Charizard out of Phantasmal Flame. Let's see if this kind of... There we go. Ooh, that's a cool artwork. Is this, yeah, the Yukimori. So this is like the claymation type. So this is like a real picture that's taken and then put there. So this is not a typo. Type null. Tell me a little bit about that in the comments for those people that, again, don't know ball like you guys do. Bronzong, Finizen. Ooh! Oh my god, that's an SIR. The Gwyn SIR. We got an SIR out of an ETB. I feel like that never happens. The Voltaic Energy. Whoa. The Gwyn SIR. And honestly, this looks, no, it's pretty heavy on the bottom, but, you know, obviously, most people don't want the trainer cards as the SIR, as the main pull, but, I mean, look at how pretty this thing is. If I can let you guys kind of zoom in on that. Okay, a little SIR pull, and that's what's cool about these sets. Like, you don't really know, at least for somebody like me, I don't really know what's going on in terms of the types of Pokemon that I'm seeing. To get an SIR just like that, that's wild. But, you know, there we go. 3 packs in with an SIR. I'll take that any day of the week. Let's keep going. This could be one of those ETBs that's just absolutely loaded. Whoa! Is that normal? What do the back of these look like? Oh, okay. Have they always looked like that? You got the, I remember the Pikachu. Have they always been like this? I've never seen a Venusaur back there. But, let's see. Let's go with water. Psychic. But let's keep on keeping on here. We got the Grubbin, the Drillbur, Poplio, Shieldon, Backtrack Badge, Bronzong. There's a regular Gwyn, Lampent, Litwick, and the Zarude. Nice. Does Zarude evolve into anything? I'm curious. Let me know. Let me know in the comment down below. I'm here to be educated by you guys. I'm here to kind of just relax and enjoy everything. We got some good background music playing. And let me know if you guys want some of these longer form videos, right? Because I know that I can really milk that 36-pack booster box. I can make it more exciting. I can go quick with it, you know? Oh, lightning energy for those curious. But here we go. Electrike. But here we go. Electrike, Slowpoke. You guys know I want that Slowbro. Tropius. I remember this Pokemon. If you guys remember from Gen 3, you found him in between the 5th and the 6th badge where we saw that really tall grass for the first time. And I remember catching it, not knowing what I was getting, and then being able to learn Fly, which I thought was such a crazy thing back in the day. I was like, how does this like dinosaur-looking thing know how to fly? Misty's Vitality, Tropius Reverse, Poplio Reverse, and our first regular EX, the Mega Slowbro with the texture. Again, these EX cards, or the Mega EX cards especially, they look so nice, and they actually have some nice texture to them as well. Always gonna sleeve these up. So, like, I'm not a big fan of the normal EXs. You know, a pull is a pull. I'm not gonna get greedy, don't get me wrong. But getting the Mega EXs with a little bit of texture, I feel like it gives me a little bit more oomph versus the other ones that are like more flat and boring to kind of look at and things like that. Let's go with a Psychic Energy. Okay. Dark Energy. Let's see what we got here. Mabastiff, Slowpoke, Tropius. I wonder what the God Pack situation is here. Like, what cards would even entail a God Pack? Mandibuzz, Koraidon. But yeah, please tell me a little bit about the Darkrai lore. I have no idea about him. Like, is he a Gen 9 Pokemon? Is he a Gen... He's definitely not Gen... He's not Diamond and Pearl. Is he? I don't even know. Sizzlepede, Vullaby, Shieldon, Bryon, Bannet, Thievul, Dark Bell, Centiskorch. Let's go. This is sick. You guys know that I'm a sucker for the OG 151 Pokemon. I feel like everybody is. So if you get an illustration rare out of any set that gives homage to the first 151 Pokemon, that's amazing. I mean, this card is so nice. Look at that thing. Right? Blue, and you can see that shimmer happening. This could be a 10 candidate too. I don't know. I know that I feel like people are going to go crazy over this Goldeen because of Misty's Vitality especially. Like, it could be like a Misty focused set, and I know that Misty has a crazy following. Don't really know why, but again, it's there. We got 2 more packs to go. We got the Darkrai. Let's see. We got the Nickit, the Shuppet, Brionne, Cranidos, Jet, Annihilape, the Seeking, another Nickit Reverse, a Sin, what is that even? A Sinstitcha? I don't even know what that is. And then a whoa. That's my last name, Silva, so it's Silvally. Interesting. Maybe that could become my new favorite Pokemon. That's so funny. And then the final pack to round this video off. And comment down below what you guys want to see with that booster box. What should we do with it? Obviously, we're going to open it, but should we do something fun with it maybe? I don't know. Leave me some ideas down below. Let's see if we can get this right. Let's go with Lightning Energy and another Strength Energy. Let's see. Drillbur, Mastiff, Shuppet, Grubbin, Lampent, Backtrack, Badge, Manectric, another fire, well, not fire, another lightning Pokemon that happens to be amazing, you know, fire in that sense. I thought this Pokemon was so cool in Gen 3 when he first came out, getting the Electrike to evolve to Manectric, because you can get Electric pretty early. Relicanth, Thievul, and G-U, as I say. But that is everything that we got. So, I mean, all said and done. For an ETB, obviously, we have no idea what the values are, so we're not even opening for that. We're just opening these for fun. We got the Goldeen. So let me make sure this thing can really kind of... We got the Goldeen. We got the Mega Slowbro. The Gwyn SIR, everybody. This isn't the Silver or Gold Star one. And then, of course, this illustration rare, the Zarude, which is the promo. So 3 pulls and 9 packs, you know, 33%. We'll take that. But the fact that we got an SIR and an IR in the same ETB means the luck is on our side. So I'm only hoping to see even more in the booster box. But let me know in the comment down below what you guys want to see. Rank Pitch Black set. What are you excited for? Rank it down below. And maybe I'll pin the best rankings that I agree with down below. And if you made it to the end, let me know with the Dolphin in the comments down below. Until next time, peace.